Welcome back from the break, guys. Now let's delve right into the Talent on the Rise segment. Let's meet artist J. Ryle.
Ayo, I'm so a pull of vodka with Sprite and a little bit of ice. I'm nice.
Well, you know, say J. Ryle is a humble, talented, very ambitious youth from parish of St. Mary, St. and same way, rep the Ochi and thing, you see it. Very unique, very talented artist. I grew up in a district called Lyons, that's in St. Mary, that's actually in Hamilton Mountain. Yeah, my real name is actually Daniel Prince Comrie. Well, I used to attend Rokobesa High School, and then I lived from there and I went to community college, that's actually STD, Jack Silver STD, I just be a love I get from the people in the street. They might tell me say, them love them my ear and thing, and that actually motivate me to like go even harder. Grinding and just putting out the best in our life. Well, the first producer I worked was actually team still actually, LSMT. It was actually first song was actually Turn It Up. So far we're doing some other different work with a lot of different producers. Producers like Odi, Sassian Studio, and I'm like DJ was a lot of other different producers. Like Falling For You, ladies them really love it, and it's like a song where you can play for your Isa or your her, like I love it. Like Falling For You is like it's like a true life story too. As a Jay-Z said, my life, your entertainment. But Falling For You is like a great, very great track. Well, we got a lot of different songs of forward still. We got songs like Broke It. We got songs like, we even got a freestyle when you roll trees. Like that crazy, like that sick right now, like street. Fully released yet, but they're gonna release very soon with a viral video and everything. So it's gonna be like crazy.
Reach Somewhere is the new video from singer G Wiz. Let's check it out.
Hard work and you must get paid. I saw the thing go me brother. I saw the thing go me sister. Yeah, me I take me little step in a life, cause I'm gonna reach somewhere. Keeping my eyes on the prize, cause I'm gonna reach somewhere. And me not gonna watch what the next man have a plan. No, just have to be pure in heart. Yeah, take me little step in a life, cause I'm gonna reach somewhere. Yeah, yes, I'm gonna do it step by step, and sweat by sweat. Yes, I'm gonna be about it. I mean, I don't know calling me legitimate. And where I'm going, I'm sure. Watch out for me, cause I'll be coming knocking at the door. Yes, I'm gonna go forth and take what is mine. Yeah, me I take me little step in a life, cause I'm gonna reach somewhere. Keeping my eyes on the prize, cause I'm gonna reach somewhere. And me now gonna watch what the next man have a plan. No, just have to be pure in heart. Yeah, take me little step in a life, cause I'm gonna reach somewhere. And me sure about that and just start your journey and continue, me brother. Now watch you feel and now watch the bad weather, cause every disappointment forward for make you stronger. Yeah, and start small and build up the empire. Now listen bad mind, the whole of them a liar. The meds the negative them say. Just remember say room never build in a one day. So me just take me little step in a life, cause I'm gonna reach somewhere.
After the break, Eltham High closes the school year with a bang, and Kevin J has the latest in this week's entertainment news. We'll be right back.
One more shot.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down cars. Blast like a star with some a gal apart. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blem, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know how we be Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a start. Take charge, take
charge.
Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, take charge. Magnum. Enter the Lucasade Summer Millionaire Promotion for a chance to win first prize $1 million cash. Second prize all-inclusive weekend for 4. Third prize 40-inch flat screen TV. Buy any 3 Lucasade products. Must include 1 250 ml can. Remove labels. Crush can in an envelope. Place labels and can or receipt along with your name and number. Drop in entry box in store or mail to P.O. Box 2500 CSO Kingston. Follow us on social media and win bonus prizes. Let's drink to a winning summer with Lucasade.